Hey people, I'll be teaching you guys today how you should bleach your frontal to match your customers or your client's hair skin color. Go nowhere and enjoy this video with me.
So this is my plastic bowl and these are my brushes I'll be using to comb the hair. Meanwhile, I have a developer here from Clairol, written faulty developer, and I also have this product from Superstar and it's a 30 developer. Most especially, I have my bleaching powder and olive oil product. I love this product a lot because it contains proteins, and proteins will help maintain the hair. Yeah, of course, the hair don't have to pull off, or it doesn't have to be all weak from the roots and all. So stay tuned and watch.
So after mixing the mixture together, you can see the consistency in the bowl on how it looks. Gently apply this on the frontal, making sure that you do not press so hard. The essence is so that it doesn't penetrate to the other part where we have our hair strands. Allow for about 10 minutes and rinse off. So after I rinse off, this is how it looks. It looks like scalp, right? Light brown undertone. At this point, I'm going ahead to shade with my foundation and powder because my client is a light skin complexion person. So I'm going to shade this to her skin color so that it looks nice and blends with her hair. So please guys, do not use a shade or a shade lighter than your client or something too dark than your client. And the product you're going to be using should not be an oil-based concealer. Okay, this is before we bleached and after we bleached. You can see the difference, right? The difference is clear, and this is how it looks. So imagine this on someone's head, man, it's gonna be bomb. So this is how it looks after we've installed it. So always make sure that it blends with the skin tone of your customer or your client so that it comes out very beautiful. Thank you.